Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Godzilla Ultima. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Godzilla Ultima Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a nice fold in half, so it's kind of like I'm making a birthday card. Then I'm going to go ahead and fold it one more time, just like this. Now it's kind of like a big bookmark. Now when you open it up, you can open it like this and you have these nice little guidelines in here that show you where you need to keep the inside of your drawing at. Now to start off with this, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right about here in the middle, and we're just going to go ahead and make a line that's going to curve up and then back here like this. Do that same thing, just kind of come up and then bring it back here to a point. I'm going to curve this line up to here. And then right inside of here, I'm going to make a little curved line. I'm going to color in the area right around here. And then right inside of here, I'm going to make a little curved line. And I'm going to color in most of it, leaving just a little bit white. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then down for part of the nose. And then I'll make a couple more little bumps in here. And then I'll make a little line that's going to come up and then down here for the actual nose. We're going to bring it back and I'll kind of color it in just a little bit there. Then we'll bring it down here. Starting here, we're just going to curve a line back here. And then I'll curve another line that's just going to come right back here. I'm going to make a little line that comes over to here. And then a little line underneath here. Now, starting here, we're going to make another little line that's just going to curve down to here. And then right here, we're going to make a couple little points. I'm going to curve a couple more big spikes back here. And then I'm going to make some little lines that just go over, and then they're going to come down here just to kind of show some of these scales and stuff that he has. So we're just going to kind of bring these all the way down to the edge. Next, I'm going to bring some of these spikes back here. So we're just going to kind of go up to a point and then curve them down, kind of like shark fins. So we're just going to keep doing this all the way across here. And then right back here, I want to put one of his dorsal fins in. So I'm going to make a line that's going to curve up, and we're just going to curve it off. We don't really see much, but we got at least get one in. Now I'm going to make a little line inside of here, just like this, for some detail. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down to here. And then I'm going to make another line that's going to come down and then curve up here. Do a couple more little curved lines. And I'm going to bring a line that's going to come down and then over to here. Now for the neck, I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to a point, and then I'm going to bring it up. We'll do one here, down to a point and then up, and then one to here, and then we'll curve this up. Now I'm going to make just a long line that comes down here, and then just a couple little extra detail lines. We'll make a couple little lines on here, and then a few little lines on here with a couple extra ones, just for some extra detail. We can even add some of that onto here too. And maybe a little line above the eye. Something else we can also do is add a little extra line onto the sides here. Right onto there for the spikes. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. After we open it up, we have two halves of our Ultima Godzilla. Now, let's begin at the top. I'm going to bring this line down to here. And then we're going to curve it back here. Next, we're going to make a line that's going to curve up and down. That's where that really big tooth is. Then we're going to bring some lines that are going to go over and then up just a little bit. Same thing here, over and up. And then I'm going to bring this line all the way back to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to come over. Then I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, over, and down. Then I'm going to bring this line over. We're going to come up and bring it up to here and connect. I'm going to curve this line down, and I'll add a couple little broken lines in here just for some detail. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down to a point and then back up for that really big tooth. And then I'm going to make some smaller teeth in front of it. So I'm just going to kind of put these a little bit behind each other. Then we'll do the same thing back here. And as I start coming back towards the back of the mouth, I'm going to make them a little smaller. Now right here, I'm going to make another really big tooth. And then we'll kind of put some smaller ones. And then I'm going to make some more teeth right here. And as they get towards the back, they're going to get smaller. Now I'm going to make a couple little broken lines right along here. And a few more just for some extra detail. We'll put some extra lines here. And just run some little detail lines all around here. Now inside of here we want to make that blast that he does. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to make some of these big like oval circle shapes. So I'm going to make some big circle or kind of oval shapes like this. I'm going to make another one right here, kind of like a big ring. I'm going to do another one here. I'll make it a little bigger. And they can have like some little breaks and stuff in them as well, kind of like here. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a long line. It's going to come right to my ring. It's going to jump over and go through it. Then it's going to kind of jump over this one and go through here. We'll do the same thing here. I'm going to bring this one out to here. It's going to jump over my ring and come out to here. Then I'll just kind of like bring these up to connect it. And there you go, there's your drawing of a Godzilla Ultima Surprise Fold. When we have it all closed up, we have him just staring off, and then once we open it, his mouth is open and he's shooting his atomic blast. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.